Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Alright, we're getting back into the Banshee and we got a few more parts. Like I said, I wanted to go chrome or polished on pretty much all the accessories on the bike and then just have the plastics clean. So got the chrome John right here, gonna throw the chrome Johnny on. Eventually gonna get a stator cover that's chrome or polished, and then also on the other side as well for the clutch case, I'd get either polish this one and then just get the plates polished, or get a whole one, but they're kind of expensive, so we'll see what happens with that. That's later on. We got the new coolant lines in there, we got the carbs out, brand new spark plugs in there, so I'm going to take off the remaining fuel line for the drainage that's running through the back of the motor right now. Get rid of that fuel line, put the new fuel line in with the carbs, and clean it all up, and that means the bike should be able to run again today. I've been waiting on a few things. I didn't want to put it together with the old fuel lines again, so got new fuel lines, gonna do all that, and also have a couple clutch lever options here from my older Banshees, yellow and red too, which is cool. So might throw one of these on too and get rid of the black levers and try to get everything a little like polished, you know. So gonna start with throwing this shifter on right now. Chrome things, boys. Alright, I cleaned the carbs yesterday with some carb cleaner and cleaned out the jets and everything like that, so those are ready to be put in. And I got the new fuel line right here, just some clear fuel line. So new vent hoses on the carbs. The old ones were literally like this short and they were so crusty and they were literally draining onto the top of the block. That's why there's so much buildup on the top of the motor right here. Was those just not doing anything but leaking all the oil and fuel right onto the block. Alright, carbs are all in there, throttle cables are hooked up, vent lines are hooked up, so now I can set the gas tank in there. I'm just going to drain all this gas out of here with the Motul 800, and I'm going to use some Caster 927 that I have. Alright, just threw the gas tank in, got to put the fuel line on. We're going some coolant because that's what I got right now here. So gonna throw some coolant in there. All right, so where we stand right now, we got the carbs in there. They're all cleaned off. Got the throttle cables hooked up. Got the new foot pegs on there. I just filled the bike with gear oil. It was actually super low on gear oil, which is pretty crazy to think about because I rode this thing up and down the street. I think there's literally like maybe a third of what should be in there. Cleared out the gas tank, just filled it with coolant. So we got coolant now. Put this back on. Get some premix going. I'm gonna put some gas in her, and we should be able to start this thing up here at Run again. Should be a lot better now with the carbs cleaned out. Before, one carb was kind of clogged up. It was the left carb. Also need to patch this tire because, as you can see, there's a huge nail in it. One got some gas. I just got 3 gallons because I only had like 1.25 quarters of each bottle, so I didn't want to get stuck getting 5 gallons and then not having enough oil. So gonna premix this up and then throw it in the tank. I'm running 32-to-1. That's why I'm running like all my 2-strokes usually, most commonly, and doing Caster 927. And yeah, I'm doing 3 gallons right now, so we need 12 ounces. This one's for all the people who have seen me put the oil into my gas tank and shake bikes and cry every time in the comments about it, showing that we're out here premixing gas too, boys. That's just when we're throwing like a tiny bit in the tank and not gonna premix a whole gallons of gas. Now I'm gonna pull this thing out and let's see if it starts now. hooked in there. It's gnarly. There we go, boys. Clean all this out. There we go. Little pole piece. One thing I just found on the bike too is that someone must have hit really hard right here because this skid plate almost hits the actual rotor. Alright, added the little polished lever on there now. So if I had this polished, man, it would look so good. I actually forgot I need to bleed these brakes real quick, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Final piece right here, baby. Whoa! Finally seen it together as a whole bike again. I haven't seen it together since like the day I got it, because I've had it just apart. The new radiator just tucked behind there. You can see the aluminum shining. You can put air in the tire, and then this thing's pretty much able to go riding right now. So that's super sick.
That's the work that I was talking about.
Yeah,
guys.
the people want to know what's going on with the Banshee right now.
That's the work.
Where's the Banshee? Why is she all stripped apart? Sheesh!
Dude, these are those stock rims. Quit playing with them.
No way.
The 92 piece. Yeah, the gold.
Oh yeah, they are gold, bro. You should take that off. What the fuck? Damn, you got her stripped down.
That shit.
Sheesh!
I'm completely naked. Yeah, that's different.
What's going on, bro? What you doing?
Need everything.
Everything. New bars on her.
I got a new case right here. Got a new case, side case. Stated.
Yup.
Oh
yeah.
And then I got like the intake manifold upstairs and shit. Reforced 4 reeds. Changing everything completely. I was thinking about changing the cool head, but I don't know.
Hey, you got the OEM chrome rear bar though.
That just came in too.
Yups.
I ordered the key switch, hidden key switch mount.
Oh yeah, inside of here, the one that guy made on Instagram.
Yep.
Fire. Yups. I did my front brakes. My front brakes are good now. You gotta bleed them. Damn, mine doesn't have this big old thing.
Bro, this is that special edition, that 50th anniversary plastic.
Yups.
That's that. Ooh, that's that money right
Yups. I need to get OEM stickers for mine though, with the Banshee right here with the flames. I don't know what that means.
Oh, Wanda.
The Cosmos and the Wandas.
I might get the Cosmos in the front.
The Cosmos in the front. Got the bar risers on there.
Yep.
Yups. So what about carbs? What kind of carbs you running?
No carbs right now, but I'm gonna have to say fucking get the Electron carbs.
The Electron carbs with the V-Force reeds. New grips on?
New grips. I got a bolt kit coming in for this too.
Oh, just a dress-up bolt kit?
Yeah.
For all the plastics or for everything?
For the plastics and the cases.
Oh yeah? Yup, the new radiator needs to go in there for sure.
Yeah, I got the radiator coming on that. All here should be here Monday. So if anything, I'll put everything together by Wednesday. If anything, the weekend I should fucking get the carbs.
Oh, you need one of the carbs though.
Dude,
Cash out on the carbs right now.
Yeah.
Add them to the cart right now.
They've already been in the cart.
Just click the checkout,
They've been in
bro.
the
Just
cart.
click the checkout.
They've been
You're
in
gonna
the
have
cart.
to order them eventually. Like,
Yeah,
you already
I know.
got the Banshee.
Yeah, I
You
know.
might as well just get it over with.
Yeah, but oh, these are new front tire pieces.
Spend the
I'm
money,
gonna
make.
get.
Hey, click that checkout button. Just send it. Hold on.
Dude,
By the time you want to order them, you're gonna want them right away. Cause
Yeah,
you're gonna be ready.
I
So if you
know.
order them now, they'll get here by next weekend, and then you'll be able to throw it all together.
Yeah, no.
Otherwise, you're gonna be waiting a week with no parts.
Yeah, that's facts. I was gonna do that. That monthly payment, cause ooh, that's different, man.
I'm gonna try that 12.
It's just regular stock light mods.
Yeah.
Bro, like light mods.
You waiting?
I just need to wait for that check to hit. Right
That check, that stimmy?
Dude, that stimmy coming. Dude, that shit's gonna help me out so much.
For that 1400?
Yeah.
The case saver on there too. Little case saver piece on there. Yups. So I can't tell. What you think? I don't know. I think it kind of makes it look too bulky, but it doesn't look too bad.
Honestly, I like it. I would.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You just don't like it on yours?
Yeah, I just don't like having pegs on mine. I mean,
Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like having them either. But
if
they were,
yours, that would be fine. That would look
if
perfectly fine.
if these were silver, I think it would look alright.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, those need to be.
Hey, but these chrome pieces, man.
Oh,
Hey,
you
the
see
chrome
the
looking
chrome
man.
pegs?
Come on,